Hi and welcome to Rainbow Unicorn Cat 1 channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make grilled cheese sandwiches and butternut squash soup for your dolls. It was inspired by the newest American Girl set called Hungry for Hot Lunch. And we already uploaded a tutorial on how to make a fruit salad from that set. If you haven't seen it, I'll put the link to it in the description box below. And by the way, we have an entire playlist of DIYs for 18-inch dolls on our channel. I'll put the link to that playlist in the description box below if you haven't seen it. There are a few craft tutorials on how to make food items, shoes, other stuff. Definitely check it out if you're into crafting for 18-inch dolls. If you are new to this channel and interested in all things American Girl, but not yet a subscriber, you should definitely subscribe to our channel. And if you turn on the notification bell, YouTube will always let you know when we upload a new video. We post all the latest American Girl news, crafts, and unboxing. We post every Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, but sometimes we post on other days as well. Here's what you'll need for this craft. Packaging foam, light brown and medium brown nail polish. You can use regular acrylic paint, but I think nail polish just sticks better to the surface. You will also need spackling or silicone, yellow paint, and an X-Acto knife. This is the kind of packaging foam I was talking about. American Girl likes to use it in its larger sets. It has this texture that really looks like bread. You might have seen my bread tutorial where we used this same exact packaging to make bread. If you haven't seen that video but would like to, you can find the link to it in the description box below. Now we're gonna cut the foam to make our sandwich. I'm trying to cut a square about 1.5 inch by 1.5 inch. Now we're going to cut excess from the bottom. Originally I made it way too thick, so I had to cut off the bottom layer later on. I would suggest making it not thicker than 1/4 inch, maybe even thinner than that. You need to make 2 of those squares and then cut them diagonally. And now I'm going to paint all of them with a light brown nail polish. I purchased this nail polish specifically for crafting from Dollar Tree. It's very cheap, but I don't think it will work great as a nail polish on nails. But it works great as a craft paint. It sticks to different surfaces that acrylic paint normally wouldn't stick to. As an added bonus, it gives a bit of a shine after it dries. It really reminds me a lot of enamel paint, except it's cheaper and easier to find in my opinion. So yeah, that's my life hack. Use Dollar Tree nail polish as a craft paint. I'm going to paint the top part of this slice and also the sides. I'm not going to paint the bottom part. That part's going to be covered with cheese. When you're done painting all 4 pieces, let them dry for at least a couple of hours. This slice is dry now, so now I'm going to make it a little bit more realistic by making it look like it was grilled. I'm going to use a darker shade of brown nail polish, and I'm going to kind of brush it on. Not completely paint all over the slice, but just brush it on the edges where it would normally get grilled to make it look like a grilled cheese sandwich or toast. I let them dry for a couple hours and they look pretty good. Look at this. Super realistic, super nice. And now we're gonna make the cheese. I'm gonna mix some dry spackling with yellow paint. And I also added just a little bit of white glue. You can use silicone, that way you don't need to add any glue, just mix it with yellow paint. You want that nice, rich, orangish yellow color. And when I was filming this video, I realized that this is perfect texture for scrambled eggs. So it looks like you might see a breakfast food tutorial on this channel in the near future. When you join in the two pieces together, try not to squeeze too hard. Just a little tiny gentle squeeze to keep them together. After they completely dried, I added some clear varnish on the cheese part to make it more shiny. I felt like it didn't look realistic enough. It needed that shine on the cheese part. Of course, you can use any type of varnish that you have. You can use Mod Podge, or you can use clear nail polish from Dollar Tree. I just can't get over how nicely it came out. It looks so good. And now let's make that butternut squash soup. You will need a small empty pill bottle, hot glue, aluminum foil, orange and white nail polish or paint, mini hacksaw, hot glue gun, iron. I'm going to use the exact same technique I used for making a fruit bowl for fruit salad. So I'm going to carefully cut off the top piece of the pill bottle. Next step's optional, and it's going to give your soup bowl more of a finished look. The iron's on high setting, and I'm going to gently press the bowl down. First the bottom side, and then the top side. On the top side, I'm going to press it until it gives me a nice rim. I'm going to press it and let go, press it and let go. Make sure your fingers do not touch the iron surface. I am pretty happy with how it came out, and now we're going to make sure that our bowl doesn't have a hole in the bottom. I'm going to use the bottom part of the pill bottle and cut out a circle that's just slightly larger than the opening in our bowl. It didn't come out quite perfect, so I sanded it down with an old nail file. Look at this, it fits now. And we're gonna hot glue it in place. And now I'm gonna fill it up with crinkled aluminum foil. I learned this trick from the polymer clay community. It's a great tip because it keeps the item light. Now I'm going to cover the top with a layer of hot glue. I'm really going for a smooth surface here. You don't have to use aluminum foil and hot glue. If you have air dry clay, you can just fill it up to the top with air dry clay and then smooth the surface. I'm going to try and make sure that the surface of my soup is as smooth as possible. After it dried, it's ready to be painted. I'm going to use this nail polish that I got at Dollar Tree, but you can absolutely use acrylic paint. I use this nail polish because I really like the color, but actually it turned out it's a little bit too bright. I'm still going to keep it though. And now we're going to let it dry. The surface did not come out perfectly smooth, but that's okay. I was planning to put some toppings anyway. Now I'm going to paint a creamy swirl with a white nail polish I got from Dollar Tree. I'm going to make sure it's not perfect and it has those blurred lines so it looks more realistic. I added some basil leaves to my soup. You can paint them, you can cut them out of craft paper, or you can make them out of green clay. I think they came out pretty nicely. Let me know in the comments if you plan to make these, and also let me know in the comments what other items you'd like us to craft on this channel. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so YouTube will always let you know when we upload a new video. We post every Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, but sometimes we post on other days as well. Thanks for watching and see you next time.